So I've been working on face masks, and one of the things I could not find to use was something for the nose piece, so it will bend around the nose comfortably and be a little more fitted. Um, these masks I had started making, found a pattern online. It was Bestera, but I am not a seamstress or sewer in any way, and I found these very easy to make. Um, it did end up kind of looking like this, which is nice because it has the place where you can put in a filter, coffee filter, or paper towel, or whatever you wanted to put in to use. But the nose piece, well, it was hard finding something that could be used that was flexible enough. You know, hard wire was too hard. It was painful. So was looking for something, and I came across this. They're flexible ties for in the garden. So it's in the garden section. This is from Dollar Tree, 16.5 feet for $1. I've been making a bunch of masks, and I'm nowhere near through all of this. So let me show you what the inside looks like. And I started making a bunch of these masks for friends and just to donate and stuff. So I'm not selling them. Like I said, I'm not a seamstress. I'd be afraid to sell them because they're not pretty, but they work. So this is what the inside looks like, and I don't know if you can see that. The lighting isn't that good, but like I said, not pretty. What I did was a zigzag stitch over the piece of wire, and this one was a little too long. It was the first one I did, so I probably cut this one about 5 inches. You only need about 3 inches of wire, and it stays really well. The thing I found out when I was making these after a while is it was best to put it on this side, on the opposite side that it's facing. For some reason it seems to sit a little bit better with the material and the finished mask. So I also came up with a really cool idea for the loops. Instead of using elastic, I'll show that in the next video, but these have been really comfortable. They're very form-fitting. They don't rub or hurt in any way, and what I like about them is these flexible ties are they're coated in plastic, so I've been throwing them in the wash and they seem to hold up really well, and there hasn't been anything rusting or anything like that. The wire in there is so thin and so small. And I did break a sewing machine needle, so be careful when you sew them in, but did a large zigzag and that seemed to do pretty well. So I hope that helps, and in my next video I'll show you what to do instead of using elastic. That seemed to work really well too. Thanks.